Hi, I'm Susanna Gotch, and this is our February CCC Trends Report covering the property and casualty insurance and collision repair industries. Today, I'm going to talk about inflation and its impact on total loss costs. Inflation rose a whopping 7% in 2021, the largest 12-month gain since June of 1982. What were the biggest contributors to this surge in inflation? Shelter and used vehicles. What that meant for our industry were record increases in total loss vehicle values not seen since Superstorm Sandy in December of 2012 and Hurricane Harvey in October of 2017. So let's unpack what's going on. The increases in 2021 in both new and used vehicle prices were caused by major disruptions in the global supply chains, specifically shortage of semiconductor chips. With fewer new vehicles available for sale, and with those that were available significantly more costly, buyers moved to the used vehicle market. The result? Already tight used vehicle supply fell even further and prices surged. So what does that mean for us in 2022? Already in early January, wholesale used vehicle values have risen further, and analysts are forecasting prices may rise even further during this upcoming tax return season this spring. And while analysts are forecasting new vehicle production levels will improve, it will be slow going, with most of the improvements seen at the back half of this year. So, with elevated demand and continued tight supply of new and used vehicles, our industry will likely see total loss vehicle claim costs elevated for some time. For more details, check out this month's blog at cccis.com. Thank you for joining us for this issue of CCC Trends.